name of the place, by the way, is... No, I think I'd better write it down.
Lied Pater.
I told you it was in Wales. The nearest I ever got to pronouncing it was Baldpate. Baldpate Manor.
Good evening.
Nice to know we're not the only ones.
Excuse me.
We're waiting for a train that doesn't seem to exist.
We've been sitting here in this filthy dump since 4:30 this afternoon.
According to the timetable, there was supposed to be a train at 6.
6 in the morning, more like.
I'm sorry, I don't know anything about that. I was looking for someone who could help me, only I seem to be lost.
It's hardly surprising in this godforsaken part of the world. My husband's idea of a holiday. I've almost forgotten what civilization's like.
Have you tried the station master? He might be able to help you.
Station master? Well, I didn't see any. I mean, the whole place looked totally deserted.
There was certainly one here when we arrived.
Excuse me, I don't know if you can help me, but I'm trying to find Baldpate Manor. Guess that isn't the way you pronounce it.
Oh, I shouldn't worry. They're all like that around here. Hate the English.
It's the first time I've ever been accused of being English.
You'll find the Welsh are terribly nationalistic, especially the older ones.
I'll remember that. Wear a leek or something to show I'm a friend. Say, you all right in there?
Do you think we should take a look?
Well, she did look pretty strange when she came in.
Excuse me, ma'am. Well, maybe she fainted or something. I think as you're the lady...
What are you doing?
There was this old lady came in and we heard the sound of broken glass. We opened the door and then she'd vanished. I think she climbed through the window.
If you want to catch the train, you'll have to buy a ticket.
Oh, no, I don't want to catch the train. I'm looking for Baldpate Manor.
Never heard of it.
Well, actually, I guess it's the way I pronounce it. Maybe if I showed you how it's spelt. Here, I have it written down how to get there. It's just being dark and all. I don't...
You mean Balpatur Manor?
That's the one. Baldpate.
Nobody lives in Balpatur Manor.
I know that.
No one would want to live in Balpatur Manor.
Well, I don't know about that. All I know is I need to get there as quickly as possible. You do know where it is?
I know where it is.
Do you think it would be asking too much if you could direct me there, please?
It's a cursed place.
Yes, I'm sure it's drenched in evil.
Cursed.
Full of things better not spoken of. Yes, I saw the movie. Now, please, I have business there, and I am in a hurry.
Will you be traveling by foot?
I have a car.
Turn left outside the station. 2 miles. Turn right at the crossroads. And just go straight on. Balpatur Manor. will find you in its own good time.